Good evening, Vanshika. Which year are you in?
Sir, I'm in second year.
You're in second year. Just a moment. Okay, so do you have any prior experience regarding legal aid work? Have you worked with any other NGO or anything like that?
Sir, I didn't work at the NGO, but I did my internship in my first year at the Saket Co.
Okay, so what do you understand by legal aid?
So I think that providing the legal perspective or providing and educating the person through which the legal services cannot be moved in, like providing the services to the people who really move out.
Who are the persons who require legal aid?
Sir, it can be any vulnerable group. Like it can be the person who really who cannot afford things very easily, and we need that they should be providing with those necessities, with those legal educations, where the awareness could not be lead to them.
Okay, which article talks about legal aid? Which article of the Constitution?
Sorry, sir, but I couldn't recall for a moment.
Okay, have you read Fundamental Rights?
Yes, sir.
What is uh, Article 19?
Right to freedom of speech and expression.
ओके आप आप एक एक सेकेंड ना आप कौन से कॉलेज में हो?
Sir, University School of Law and Legal Studies.
You are in
GGSLU.
IP. You are in IP
Yes,
basically.
sir. Main campus.
You reside in Delhi only.
Yes, sir.
तो आप कितना टाइम डेडिकेट कर पाओगे अ, इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए?
Sir,
मतलब towards legal work?
since my college is also starting, but 2 3 hours, of course, I can serve.
Okay, so there will be outreach programs also. So we have to go there and we have to educate people, basically poor and slums, regarding. So will you be able to attend those outreach programs? Will you be able to come for the
Yes,
visit?
sir. If there would be a dedicated time, then I'll
Yes,
be ready to go.
and there will be prior intimation also regarding this. Okay, so do you have any experience in social media management?
Uh, till now, no, sir. Actually, I being enrolled over there, but there's no particular responsibility given to me in this for this particular managing thing.
Where have you been enrolled in social media management?
No, sir. I was no.
Basically, which social media platforms are you active on?
Sir, LinkedIn, Instagram.
Okay, so uh, if there is uh, uh, let's say if there is a victim of sexual offenses and you have to spread, you have to make a post regarding that particular incident to mobilize people. Excuse me. So what are the precautions that you are going to take? As in, what are the precautions you are going to take so that we do not get into legal troubles?
Sir, could you please elaborate more?
Like, अगर कोई पर्सन है, कोई कोई फीमेल है, उसके अगेंस्ट कोई सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस हुआ है. नाउ यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ दामिनी केस एंड निर्भया केस, जो रेप केसेस थे. तो वहां पे बहुत सारे लोग को बहुत बार होता है हमें कि हमें पोस्ट करना होता है कि लोगों को उसके बारे में पता चले, लोग एक्टिवेट मतलब लोग एक्टिव हों और लोग सपोर्ट में आए। तो हमें उसके रिगार्डिंग पोस्ट करना है अगर, तो व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस दैट यू विल टेक, जिसमें आप पोस्ट करते वक्त, आप लिखते वक्त किन चीजों का ध्यान रखोगे कि हम पे कोई लीगल ट्रबल ना आए, हम किसी लीगल मतलब लीगल मैटर में ना फंसे। एक्सक्यूज मी।
So, agar if I am in any platform and I have to like post anything which are very sensitive matters, so first of
राइट।
all, I'll keep remember that my whole situation would be read to me. That every sensitive things should not be mentioned. Even alternative words can be used rather than using the correct name, and not to reveal many such things which could like affect the people which from many society, like the society where we are living, there are many other perspectives also, so I'll make sure to not to hurt those things, so use those terms or use those things which cannot harm them, and not to reveal everything but the minute things, but very informative.
ओके, ऑलराइट। व्हाट इज द women हेल्पलाइन नंबर, डू यू नो?
So it was like 2 3 days ago when I like just checked, but it would be like 4 digit number, but I couldn't recall it. Like it was 2 3 days earlier when I.
ओके, ऑलराइट। सो do you know what DLSA is?
Yes, sir. Delhi Legal State Authority. That like they are providing the they're providing the legal aid. It's dedicated.
All right, Rohan, you can ask any questions if you want.
ओके। बंदिका, अगर मान लो कि आपको अगर फ्री मतलब फंडिंग में डालते हैं स्पॉन्सरशिप की टीम में अगर गाइडेंस के साथ, तो यू कैन डू दिस वर्क।
Sir, could you please repeat?
इफ यू वर्क असाइन रिलेटेड टू फंडिंग और स्पॉन्सरशिप, यू आर डूइंग दिस वर्क।
Sorry, sir.
बंदिका, मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर मान लो आपको वर्क असाइन करते हैं हम लोग फंडिंग और स्पॉन्सरशिप में कुछ वर्क, तो यू आर डूइंग दिस वर्क।
Yes, sir.
और बंदिका, साइबर क्राइम क्या होता है? व्हाट इज साइबर क्राइम?
So like there's a very recent case when I read, like there was one like you are coercing or frauding somebody through the internet services or through a mobile. Like a very basic examples, you are having a phone call, and at that moment the somebody is telling their OTP number, and by which your whole amount is like seized by those persons. And the recent example was like there was a online arrest which came like few months ago, that the people are being arrested for a whole day like online, they have to stay for at their room.
व्हाट इज द हेल्पलाइन नंबर ऑफ साइबर क्राइम?
So I couldn't recall it, but I.
साइबर क्राइम रिलेटेड टू विच एक्ट?
uh, so can it be a data protection, but it would be a data.
Okay, okay. What is the helpline number of free legal aid provided by NALSA? Do you have idea?
No, sir.
Currently, who is the patron in charge in NALSA?
Sorry, sir. Could you repeat?
Who is patron in charge in NALSA?
So I don't know.
Okay, Bansika, thank you. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.